Flowell traffic signal system is a game-changer in modern urban transportation, designed to tackle the ever-growing issue of traffic congestion in cities. This advanced system uses real-time data analytics and AI-driven algorithms to dynamically adjust traffic light timings based on traffic flow and environmental conditions. By continuously adapting to the volume of traffic at each intersection, Flowell ensures smoother traffic movement and shorter wait times, which helps reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions. In addition, it can be integrated with smart city infrastructure to optimize traffic in conjunction with other public transport systems, providing a comprehensive solution for city planners aiming to make urban transportation more efficient and sustainable. The Flowell system represents a key step towards smarter, greener cities of the future. The City Transformer CT1 is an innovative solution to one of the most pressing problems facing modern cities: congestion and lack of parking space. This fully electric vehicle is designed with versatility in mind, boasting a unique foldable structure that allows it to transition from a wider, more stable form into a narrower configuration. This means the CT1 can navigate narrow city streets with ease and then reduce its width to park in tight spaces where traditional vehicles would be unable to fit. Powered by clean, sustainable electric energy, the CT1 offers a quieter, eco-friendly alternative to traditional cars, while maintaining the convenience and flexibility of personal transportation. With its space-efficient design and emphasis on sustainable mobility, the City Transformer CT1 is poised to become an essential part of the urban landscape in the near future. Humane's Screenless AI pin represents a groundbreaking shift in how we interact with technology. Unlike traditional smartphones, which are dominated by screens and touch interfaces, this sleek wearable device removes the need for screens altogether. The AI pin attaches to your clothing and allows you to interact with it using voice commands and AI-powered gestures, keeping your hands free while still providing seamless access to everyday functions, like texting, calling, and navigation. With an emphasis on privacy and simplicity, Humane's Screenless AI pin offers a more natural and intuitive way to stay connected without being tethered to a screen. It's a new kind of wearable technology that blends into your daily life, offering all the functionality you need while keeping you more present in the moment. Alaka'i Technologies' Skai is a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft that promises to redefine urban air mobility. Designed for both passenger and cargo transport, the Skai is a hydrogen-powered, zero-emission vehicle that combines the convenience of a helicopter with the eco-friendliness of an electric vehicle. Its vertical takeoff and landing capability allow it to operate in congested urban environments where space for traditional runways is limited, making it an ideal solution for short-distance air travel. The hydrogen fuel cell technology used in the Skai offers long-range capabilities with faster, quieter flights compared to conventional aircraft, while ensuring no harmful emissions are produced. Whether for commuting, emergency response, or logistics, the Skai represents a significant step towards sustainable air travel and smarter, less congested cities. Jyroball is an innovative personal transportation device that combines the concept of a scooter with the stability and versatility of a gyroscope. This self-balancing electric vehicle uses advanced gyroscopic technology to ensure that the rider remains balanced at all times, allowing for smooth and intuitive movement through crowded spaces. Unlike traditional scooters or bikes, the Jyroball's unique spherical design allows for easy navigation in tight urban environments, offering a fun and efficient way to get from point A to point B. Its compact size and lightweight build make it ideal for city commuting, and its ability to glide over obstacles with minimal effort provides a comfortable and agile travel experience. Whether you're navigating through busy streets or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, the Jyroball offers a futuristic twist on personal mobility. SeaLVans is an amphibious vehicle that allows for seamless transitions between land and water travel. offering unparalleled versatility for coastal areas and water-based exploration. Whether you're navigating through city streets, rugged terrain, or cruising across open water, the SeaLVans can handle it all. Equipped with powerful propulsion systems for both land and water, this vehicle is designed to handle the demands of both environments with ease. Its rugged construction and advanced technology make it an ideal choice for adventure seekers, rescue missions, or anyone who needs reliable transport in challenging coastal or marine environments. Imagine taking your vehicle from the shore straight into the water without needing to worry about a boat launch. That's the freedom SeaLVans provides. This next-generation amphibious vehicle is perfect for exploring uncharted territories or simply making the most of your time on both land and sea. The Lazzarini Colossea is a bold, futuristic vision of floating luxury, designed to be an oceanic paradise like no other. This massive floating villa takes the concept of luxury living to a new level by offering all the amenities of a high-end resort while sitting atop the ocean's surface. Imagine a self-sustaining island complete with pools, multiple levels of spacious decks, recreational facilities, and even helipads for quick access by air. The Colossea is not just a luxurious vacation spot, but a fully functional, eco-friendly habitat capable of operating off-grid, powered by renewable energy sources. Its design emphasizes sustainability, offering a glimpse into a future where floating luxury homes may become an alternative way of living or vacationing, far removed from traditional land-based resorts. With a focus on environmental consciousness, the Colossea is poised to revolutionize the concept of waterfront living. The VAST Haven 1 is a visionary space habitat that marks a new frontier in human space exploration. Built by VAST, this modular space station is designed to support long-term human habitation in low Earth orbit. Equipped with advanced life support systems, research facilities, and living quarters, Haven 1 is intended to serve as a base for future space missions, scientific research, and even tourism. Its spacious design allows for a comfortable living environment for astronauts and researchers, with the capability for artificial gravity through rotating sections of the station. As humanity looks toward the future of space exploration, the vast Haven 1 represents a key milestone in our ability to sustain human life in space, paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The YAMAHA MAJESTY Melted Custom is a one-of-a-kind, highly stylized scooter that takes the classic Majesty model and reimagines it with a unique, melted aesthetic. The scooter features custom bodywork designed to give the appearance of flowing molten metal, creating an eye-catching, futuristic design that's as much an art piece as it is a functional vehicle. Powered by a reliable engine, the Melted Custom offers impressive performance for city commuting, all while standing out in a crowd with its striking avant-garde design. Whether you're a motorcycle enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates unique craftsmanship, the YAMAHA MAJESTY Melted Custom is a true standout in the world of custom scooters, offering a perfect blend of form and function. The Deep Sentinel system is an advanced underwater surveillance solution designed to provide high-definition monitoring and real-time data capture in deep-sea environments. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors and cameras, the Deep Sentinel can monitor marine ecosystems, track underwater structures, and assist with underwater security operations. Its rugged, waterproof design ensures reliable performance in even the harshest marine environments, while its real-time capabilities make it invaluable for research, conservation, and security purposes. The Deep Sentinel system plays a crucial role in understanding the complexities of underwater ecosystems, aiding in the study of marine life, monitoring biodiversity, and ensuring the safety of ocean-based operations. Whether used for environmental monitoring, archaeological exploration, or underwater security, the Deep Sentinel provides an unmatched level of insight into the world beneath the waves. Thanks for watching, Explorers. If you enjoyed today's deep dive into the world of innovation, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech insights and futuristic discoveries. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an adventure with us. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Keep exploring and stay curious. Until next time, signing off from Digital Explorer. See you in the next video.